to understand the feel I have on it, and I love it. It's very confident bike. Whoa. Very nice balance. Excellent. Hello everyone. We are finally close to the 450MT. That is an amazing bike, and I want to show you little around my first impressions about this beautiful and strong motorcycle, because it's a strong motorcycle. It's full ABS. It has KYB suspensions, adjustable front. Yes, adjustable front, and also adjustable on the rear, in the back. Brakes, front back from JG1. Let's see in the back. Yes, JG1 in the back as well. The exhaust seems to be a little stronger than the 450MT that I have. Let's see if it's gonna sound the same. The engine obviously is the same as the 450MT, SR, SS, and CLC. And I'm just gonna leave it for a few moments to warm it up. Very nice, the sound. I love the sound. I love the weight. It's very clear. It's even much clearer and an upgraded version of the display I have on the 450MT. The braking liquid barrel from 800MT advanced. It's the same. Very nice adjustable mirrors. Hello me. Alright, so now we have the sound. Let's see more. Yes. It has the sound from yeah, very nice sound. Very nice the sound of it. And now let's see how heavy it is. Oh, it's very heavy. Oh. Alright, let's go to see if I feel it very heavy, or how do we feel it. Huh? Oh, not very heavy because it's balanced. So I can go up now. I will not go with it over 4,000 RPM because it's brand new bike, this one. We're just gonna see a little to understand the feel I have on it, and I love it. It's very confident bike. Whoa. Very nice balance. It doesn't have the push I have I feel on the 450MT. But you don't need push for this motorcycle because let's first pay attention to the traffic. Very strong bike. It gives you it really gives you a high impression that you have some power in hands, even if the engine it's only 450. I love the way it feels. Wow. Very smooth. You don't feel any vibrations anyhow, anywhere. I don't feel vibrations if I'm in the right gear. And this is And I love the look. It's a very cool look. Yes? Agree? I mean, the view I have from rider position, this display, the adjustable windscreen, I love it. And my impression was, because it's so big, I had the impression that it's gonna be very heavy, but actually it's very easy to handle after sitting little on it. And I'm not so tall to get to the ground. And now let's do a turn here. Very, very confident bike. I love it. Hop, someone put this in my place. The bike, I'm 172 centimeters. I feel good on the bike. I feel I have to let little the seat more down for my size, but it is an easy to handle. To think it is first time when I'm touching this bike and actually riding it, and I was able to park it with the back on the same place from where I got it. Let's see little the menu. Vehicle information, ABS, traction control, upshift alert, connect phone, music, and settings. Theme, device connection information, auto brightness unit. Alright, it's very beautiful. I love this, the new display from them. I was able to handle it very easy, even if it was the first time when I sit on it. Strong, confident bike. It does the purpose that it was built for. I love it. Plastics, everything, if you break something, I don't know, it's gonna be very cheap to replace. And I love the sound. Let's do one more sound check. Excellent. Very nice. Love it. Nice the materials, it gives you a very tactical impression, this color even. The other color, the blue white one, I love it as well. It's very eye-catching, but this one looks more tactical. And it's a tactical motorcycle. You go on off-roads. Good one, nice. I like it. I like the stability. I like the way I sit on the chair. It's very comfortable, this one. The adjustable windshield. Love it. Love the way it says CFMOTO here in front. Braking fluid here and here, transparent completely. You can see the color and change it whenever you need. It's coming with protection on stock. You have place here to put mushrooms, so don't buy full protection bars. It's much cheaper, but for somebody who money is not a problem, they're gonna put protection bars. You're gonna protect it very well. Sound, very good sound. This one I'm not a big fan of it, but it's not bad. It looks very the stopping light. Let's turn it a little on because I haven't seen it. Yeah, very nice. You can see very well. In front, yeah, we have ignition sequence. No ignition sequence for this model. Why? It doesn't matter. It's not nice with the always on light here. Low beam, high beam. This one has, I think it's coming stock with a protection for the radiator. You have strong guard here. Easy to replace the oil filter. It's somehow accessible. You just remove the plastic and you're done. Alright. Strong bike. Comfortable for second rider as well. I am sure it can do well on highway also, because the 450 MT does it. Compared to the 450 MT, it gives you the impression of a much bigger bike, and it is a much bigger bike. The way it feels and the way it looks it's in a big way. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you like the first impression that I have on this motorcycle, and see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah.